If you want to appear invisible on Epic Games, there's one important thing to know right away. You cannot truly go offline in the Epic Games launcher. Epic Games does not currently give you a full invisible or offline mode like some other platforms do. But the good news is, you can still reduce your visibility a lot by changing your party settings, especially in games like Fortnite. So if your goal is to avoid random join requests and make your status more private, this is the best workaround. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let me show you the simplest way to do it. First, open the Epic Games launcher and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, launch Fortnite or the game where you want to change your privacy settings. After the game loads, go to the main lobby screen. From there, look for your party or lobby settings. This is where Epic allows you to control who can join your session. You want to change your party privacy from public or open access to either private or invite only. If you set it to private, other players won't be able to join your party unless you invite them. If you choose invite only, then only people you personally approve can enter. This is the closest option Epic Games gives you to being invisible. It helps stop random players from seeing an open party and trying to join your game. In Fortnite, you can usually find this by clicking your profile or party settings icon near the bottom of the lobby screen, then selecting the privacy option from the menu. Once you change it, your party will be much less visible to others. Keep in mind, this does not fully hide your Epic Games account from friends or remove your online presence completely. It only limits who can interact with your party and join your session. So if you were hoping for a true invisible mode, Epic Games currently doesn't offer that feature. But for most players, switching to private or invite only is enough to stay low profile and avoid interruptions while you play. If you want to be even more discreet, you can also avoid joining public parties and turn off any unnecessary social notifications inside the game settings. That won't make you invisible either, but it can make your experience much quieter and more private. So to recap, you cannot truly go invisible on Epic Games, but you can make yourself much harder to join by setting your party privacy to private or invite only. That's the best available method right now, especially for Fortnite players. If this quick guide helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more simple tech and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.